Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki, the creator of Nikki J Plans, where planning meets creativity, intention, and beautiful planners. If you love all things planning, journaling, creative organization, and building a life you truly love on paper first, you are in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. It truly supports my channel so much. And if you want to see daily planning or journaling, please give me a follow at Nikki J Plans via Instagram. That's where I spend most of my time. So I am very excited. Today I'm going to share my Planner Perfect monthly subscription box. This is the box for March 2026. So let's get started. The Planner Perfect subscription box I receive is made for the 6-ring A5 binder size. This is the planner book, and it's always one of my favorite pieces of the subscription. What I love about Planner Perfect planning books is that they're incredibly versatile. When you open your planner, you will see the monthly layout, and it's a Sunday start. On the right-hand side, you'll see the notes section. Right after, you get your 4 goals pages to clearly define what matters most this month so your daily planning stays aligned with your bigger vision. You can use each goals page to focus on maintaining on personal growth, family priorities, business focus, creative goals, and so much more. Then we transition to the weekly layout, which is usually a Monday start. Usually it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but because the month starts on a Sunday, you get 4 boxes to begin with. Right after, you get 14 scripting pages, and the intention is to use scripting pages for each day of the week. 2 pages for each day of the week. The paper quality is smooth and thick without being bulky. It holds ink beautifully, which makes it perfect for fountain pens, brush pens, gel pens, all the fun things we love to use. I've used the monthly planner for appointments, goals, and to structure my daily routines. Now I use it for morning pages to set the intention for the day. And at the end of the planner, you will get a month in review. Now let's talk about the journal book. And this is where creativity really shines. The journal pages, just like the planner books pages, are intentionally designed to handle most art mediums. I've personally used brush pens, mild liners, gel pens, even layered stickers and washi. And I've seen friends use acrylic stamps and light watercolor. The paper holds up beautifully without excessive bleed through. And these pages are dot grid. Next are the tip-ins. These are such an underrated treasure in the subscription box. Tip-ins work beautifully as bookmarks, decorative inserts, journaling prompts, gift tags, and I've used them tucked into my wallet, inside my leather traveler's notebook, or layered into my journal spreads as decorative focal pieces. One of my favorite ways to use them is while traveling. If I find a recipe at a restaurant or a cafe that I love, I'll write it on the back of the tip-in because it's blank, and I keep it tucked inside the planner as a keepsake, and then I try it at home. They're sturdy, beautifully designed, and versatile. They add personality without bulk, which I love. The Planner Perfect art feels feminine, classic, and timeless. So let's talk about the seasonal stickers Planner Perfect always designs the stickers to coordinate with the monthly theme. The artwork feels elegant and, again, like I said before, timeless. It's not overly trendy, but beautifully curated. These stickers are perfect for decorating your journal pages, highlighting important dates, layering in weekly spreads, creating aesthetic dashboards. I just love using them sparingly as a focal point so my spreads feel styled but not overwhelming. They elevate your pages without taking away from functionality, and because they're seasonal, they help capture the mood of the month. So now let's talk about the washi tape. Planner Perfect's washi is always beautifully coordinated to the box theme. And here's how I've used mine, creating page borders. I've layered my washi tape. Let me show you my planner. So I've already played with the washi tape. I started doing this a couple of weeks ago and I just love it. I love combining two different washi tapes, and look how gorgeous this one looks. This is my favorite. I love that Planner Perfect creates journaling space that feels elevated. It's not just blank paper. It feels like an invitation to slow down and document your life intentionally. If you're someone who likes your planner or journal books to be both functional and artistic, these books give you that freedom. Now, this is a very important announcement about the subscription. Starting in April, the Planner Perfect subscription box is changing in a big way. The last day to order the April box is March 1st. Beginning in April, the subscription box will become exclusive, which means nothing inside the box will be released in the Planner Perfect shop later. If you want the contents that come inside the box, the only way to get them will be by subscribing. This makes the subscription even more special. It truly becomes a collector's experience. So if you've been thinking about subscribing, now is the time. If you decide to shop Planner Perfect, you can use my ambassador code Nikki20, NIKKI20, for 20% off your Planner Perfect order, including the beautiful leathers. If you use my code, I may earn store credit at no additional cost to you. Thank you so much to those who support me that way. It truly means a lot. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Nikki J Plans. That's where I spend the most of my time if you love daily planning and journaling inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.